The best oven ranges of 2020. The best GE 30-inch freestanding electric double oven convection range. Why we chose it? When you turn on your oven, the whole cavity warms up. That's perfect for a turkey, but perhaps unnecessary for 300 or more days out of the year. Double oven ranges, like the GE JB860 SJSS, are a great solution because they split the cavity in two, letting you use a smaller upper oven for quicker cooking. Altogether, this GE model has 6.6 cubic feet of capacity, 2.2 in the upper cavity and 4.4 in the lower. If you are a fan of preparing big birds, keep in mind that the lower oven is 17.5 inches in height, making it several inches shorter than other ovens' interiors. The lower oven uses convection, so a fan blows the hot air around the inside for faster, more even cooking. Up top on the range are 5 cooking elements, though one is just an on-off option that keeps food warm by heating it at a low temperature. In terms of versatility, with 2 ovens, convection, and a warming element, this reasonably priced range has a lot to offer. The best electric oven range. LG electric oven range with True Convection and EasyClean. Why we chose it? You won't find a ton of frills on the LG LRE 3194BD, though the interior is a nice surprise. Its 6.3 cubic foot capacity cavity is lined with blue enamel and cooks with true convection. That means there are both upper and lower heating elements, as well as one behind the fan. Thus, it is circulating heated air, speeding up preheating times, and cooking foods more precisely. The cooktop is also all about speed. Its 3-in-1 element allows you to adjust the power on the same heating element, so you can cook a stock pot full of ingredients or simmer a small saucepan in the same spot. It pulls 3,200 watts of power, which gets your pot of water boiling on the double. The large capacity interior is perfect for cooking large meals. Plus, the interior's enamel can be self-cleaned in 20 minutes using just water. Quicker cleaning puts this LG range a pace ahead of the rest. The best gas range. Whirlpool Gas Range with Fan Convection Cooking. Why we chose it? Have you ever owned an oven that has a hot side? You know, where it cooks much faster on the right than on the left. This 30-inch Whirlpool gas convection oven has a fan in the back of the unit, so it circulates the air and prevents hot and cold spots. The 5 cubic foot capacity means the oven is pretty average in size, but it's certainly large enough to cook holiday meals. The front control panel is easy to use, and you can disable the panel as an extra safety precaution for children. The top of the oven is all cooktop, so you can place virtually any size pan on the cooktop, from small saucepans to large griddles. There's also a speed heat burner to get your water boiling faster, as well as a low heat setting to keep your food warm. The best induction oven range. Samsung NE58K 9560WS. Why we chose it? If you've never used an induction oven before, then switching to the magnetic heating technique can feel a little awkward. Samsung's 5.8 cubic foot oven uses an induction range with blue virtual flames that light up when the induction plates are working, which looks cool and is helpful for new users. In addition to the 4 burners, there's a dual convection oven with 2 fans to cook even more efficiently, with 3 oven racks for a variety of setups. There are plenty of modes via the glass touch control panel, including unique options like easy cook presets, slow cook, dehydrate, and bread proof. There's also a built-in warming drawer with 3 different heat levels for keeping foods ready to eat. We also like that the self-clean option is a thorough steam clean feature that helps guarantee results. And, since this is a Samsung, it's no surprise that you can use an app to control everything from a distance. The best smart oven range. GE Profile Slide-in Smart Gas Range with Self-Cleaning Convection. Why we chose it? The 30-inch GE Profile Smart Oven has an edge-to-edge cooktop, so you can cook virtually anything you want on the burners, from a large batch of pancakes to burgers for the whole family. Although the top of the oven is all cooktop, each burner is engineered to promote flexibility while optimizing functionality. With features like a simmer burner, an oval burner, and a reversible cast iron skillet, you can cook sandwiches, sauces, and whatever else your heart desires. Like the LG range, this model features true induction. Therefore, it has a top and bottom heating element, and it also has a third heating element in addition to a variable speed fan that circulates the hot air around the oven. If the oven gets dirty, it self-cleans with steam. If you like the stainless steel professional look, this range certainly has it. You can also opt for black slate or black stainless steel. Each of the color options is fingerprint resistant. Since this is a smart oven, you can wirelessly control the range's functions too. You can preheat your oven or adjust cooking times and more. The best cheap oven range. Samsung 30-inch gas range with self-cleaning and fan convection oven. Why we chose it? The Samsung NX58H 5600SS looks like it should cost more than it does, especially because we've seen it on sale for as low as $600. The 5 gas burners range from 5,000 to 17,000 BTU, giving you control and versatility based on what you want to cook. It comes with a useful stovetop accessory, a cast iron griddle for pancakes, burgers, and bacon. Both preheating and boiling are quick. Inside, the 5.8 cubic foot capacity is more than spacious. It also has a self-cleaning setting. If you're in the market for a gas range, you're definitely getting more features than you would normally find with a comparably priced range.